Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We take up another verse from Bhramar Geet written by Surdas, who was a 16th century Hindu devotional poet and singer, known for his lyrics written in praise of Krishna. The lyrics are written in Braj Bhasha, one of the two literary dialects of Hindi. Surdas was a part of the Bhakti movement spreading across the Indian subcontinent. This movement represented spiritual empowerment of the masses. The genesis of Bhramar Geet poems can be traced to Srimad Bhagavad Puran. According to the narration in the Puran, the inhabitants of Braj could not reconcile with the loss of Krishna to Mathura. The depth of their sorrow knew no bounds. Krishna sent Uddhav to Braj, where he explained the divinity of Krishna to his parents, Nanda and Yashoda. He told them that Krishna was formless, unborn, without a beginning and an end. Krishna was omnipresent. Uddhav advised Nand and Yashoda to look for this Krishna rather than the child they had brought up. At this stage, the gopis who had assembled there took Uddhav aside and probed him to learn as much as they could about their beloved Krishna. They repeatedly chanted Krishna's name. Meanwhile, a black bee droned into this assembly. The gopis taunted Uddhav through the medium of the bee and called him Madhukar. These verses are therefore named Bhramar Geet. Today's verse has a very interesting viewpoint. Here, one of the gopis lays the entire blame on herself. कहाँ लगी मानिए अपनी चूक, बिन गोपाल उधो मेरी छाती हुए न गई दुए टूक. I admit my mistake. When Gopal went away, why was I not shattered to pieces? I tolerated his departure. I'm still alive. I'm talking to you. It should not have happened. तन मन जौवन वृथा जात है, जो वंग की फूक, हृदय अग्नि को दवा बरत है, कठिन बिरह की हुक. My body, my mind, my youth is all going waste. It's like the empty blowing out by a snake. The fire of love in my heart is burning bright, but my separation from Krishna hurts me. कठिन बिरह की हुक, जाकी मन हरि लिए सीसते, कहाँ करे अहि मूक. It is as if the gem has been taken away from the forehead of the snake and it can do nothing. सूरदास ब्रजबासी बसी हम, मनहु दाहिने सूख. Writes Surdas that we, the residents of Braj, perhaps lost Krishna in some very inauspicious circumstances. अंततः गोपियां अपनी ही भूल स्वीकार करती हैं और उनके अनुसार अपने अपराधों के कारण ही उन्हें यह कष्ट भोगना पड़ रहा है। यदि कृष्ण के जाते ही उनकी छाती फट जाती तो उन्हें इतनी लंबी अवधि तक यह असह्य पीड़ा न सहनी पड़ती। अब तक मैं गोपाल के बिना जी रही हूं, गोपी कहती है। यही सबसे बड़ा अपराध है। यदि उनके जाते ही मेरी छाती के 2 टुकड़े हो गए होते तो अब ये पीड़ा न सहनी पड़ती। कृष्ण के बिना मेरा तन, मन, यौवन व्यर्थ हो गया है। उसका उपभोग करने वाला कोई नहीं है। ये सब कुछ इसी प्रकार नष्ट हो रहा है जैसे कि सांप की फुकार। श्री कृष्ण ही मेरा उपभोग कर सकते थे, लेकिन वो यहां नहीं है। उनके बिना वियोग की पीड़ा मुझे अत्यंत कष्ट दे रही है। मेरे हृदय में निरंतर वियोग का दावानल जलता रहता है। मेरा हृदय ठंडा नहीं हो पाता। जिस सर्प की मणि छीन ली गई हो, वे क्या करेगा? मेरी दशा भी वैसी ही। मेरे से श्री कृष्ण रूप की मणि छीन ली गई। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ब्रज में शुभ मुहूर्त में यह घटना नहीं घटी। शुक्र दक्षिण में था और कृष्ण चले गए, और इसमें हम सबकी बुराई ही बुराई हो गई। सूरदास primarily delves in Vatsalya, Shringar and Shantarasa. With his burning intelligence and imagination, he has painted the childhood of Krishna in luminous colors in his poems. His descriptions are beautiful, alive, and psychologically enriching. His Krishna is an embodiment of love and sweetness. Surdas combines bhakti and shringar to describe union and separation with an intensity seldom achieved elsewhere. Brahmar Geet per se is not only one of the most sublime writings on Viraha and Shringar, but is also a unique discussion on Sagun and Nirgun. In the conversation between the gopis and Uddhav, we find a witty repartee and penetrating satire. Surdas's verses not only reach a pinnacle of emotional content, but are also rated high for a poet's craft. His language is simple, expression spontaneous, and words full of learning. He is rich in imaginative similes and metaphors. Hazari Prasad Dwivedi, an eminent Hindi critic and author, writes, सूरदास जब अपने प्रिय वर्षन का वर्णन शुरू करते हैं तो मानो अलंकार शास्त्र हाथ जोड़कर उनके पीछे दौड़ता है। उपमाओं की बाढ़ आ जाती है, रूपकों की वर्षा होने लगती है। Surdas believed that human beings can get mukti, salvation, with Krishna's blessings. Sincere bhakti is superior to jnana, yoga, karma bhed and jati bhed. He was one of the greats of Hindi poetry. He not only enriched literature with emotion and linguistic excellence, but also pioneered a unique tradition in Krishna Kavya. I rest here today. I shall come to you with another video from Sursagar shortly. Thank you for visiting this site. Thank you for listening to me.